Many of you have been asking me for quick and easy recipes, and today's recipe is one of my favorites. This is corn pulao. It makes for a great lunchbox recipe and your kids are definitely going to love this. So let's get into the recipe. For the corn pulao, first I'm going to boil the corn kernels. To the pressure cooker, add about half cup of water. For this recipe, I'm using 180 grams of corn kernels, approximately about 1 cup. So I've not added any salt. This is sweet corn, so if you want, you can add about half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon of salt. Close and pressure cook for about 2 whistles on medium flame. The corn is cooked beautifully. Keep it aside. We're going to make the corn pulao in a pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now you can also add a mix of ghee and oil if you like. Next, add all the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and star anise. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add 2 onions thinly sliced. Next, add 2 green chilies slit. Saute the onions till they're transparent or golden. Next, add the pound ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon. Strain the cooked corn and add it to the onions. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice. I've washed the rice, I've not soaked it. So if you do want to soak it, you can soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now gently mix the corn and the rice together. Mix the rice carefully so it doesn't break. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of diluted coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use regular milk or even water. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. If you have any water left after cooking the corn, you can use that as well. Place the weight after the steam comes. Now I've kept the flame on medium. Pressure cook the rice on medium flame for about 2 whistles. Wow, the pulao looks amazing. It smells so aromatic and so delicious. I can't wait to dig into this corn pulao. You can see the rice is cooked perfectly. So there you go, here is the simple yet delicious corn pulao. This is a great lunchbox recipe. It's very mild and very tasty, and it's a corn lover's delight. So definitely try the recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.